Hello everyone, my name is Subhash Kumar Rawal. I am currently studying in Center Department of Physics, Kirtipur, Kathmandu, Nepal. The title of my virtual lab is to verify the truth tables of RS flip-flop using NAND gates. All of virtual lab submitted to Center Department of Physics, Tribhuvan University, Kirtipur, Kathmandu, Nepal. And so the title is to verify the truth table of RS flip-flop using NAND gates. So abstract. In this experiment, we shall explore the behaviors of various type of latches and flip-flop. The objective is to become familiar with flip-flop concepts and operational characteristics, and to become familiar with the design and implementations of sequential circuits. During these experiments, we learn about the internal and outer structure of RS flip-flop and how to evaluate its working process and test all the different inputs configurations. And so some keywords, ICs, and logic gates. And so apparatus requires in real life IC, breadboard, jumpers, and power supply. In virtual lab, laptop, mobile, and internet. Introduction of my virtual lab is I am presenting the experiment like on the to verify the truth table of RS flip-flop using NAND gates. In this work, I have tried to give all the important things and information about my experiment. And so a literature review. The first electronic flip-flop was invented in 1918 by the British physicist Williams Eccles and F.W. Jardine. It was initially called the Eccles-Jardine trigger circuits and consisted of two active elements, vacuum tubes. The design was used in the 1943 British code-breaking computers and such circuits, and their transistorized version were common in computers even after the introduction of integrated circuits through flip-flop made from logic gates are also common now. Early flip-flop were known variously as trigger circuits or multivibrators. And so according to P.L. Lindsay and an engineer at the US Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and the flip-flop types details below were first discussed in 1954 UCLA course and on computers designed by Monto Geometry and then abbreviated in his book Logical Design of Digital Computers. And the theory of my virtual lab is a flip-flop in an electronic circuits with two stable states that can be used to store binary data. The stored data can be changed by applying varying inputs. Flip-flops and latches are fundamental building blocks of digital electronics systems used in computers, communications, and many other types. So first number one RS flip-flop, two D flip-flop, three JK flip-flop, and T flip-flop. So first RS flip-flop. The basic NAND gate RS flip-flop circuits is used to store the data and thus RS data and thus provide feedback from both of its outputs again back to its inputs. The RS flip-flop actually has two inputs, set, reset, and clock pulse. So figure is here. Two inputs R and S, and outputs Q and Q bar. Figure RS flip-flop circuit diagram. So using use the NAND gates and tables. So inputs, two inputs, clock pulse, and inputs to S and R. So and output Q state is three conditions: set, reset, and forbidden. Into two inputs, both inputs high, and also region state is forbidden. The methodology of my virtual lab is one RS flip-flop. So one connect the power supply 5-volt DC2 circuits. Number two, first pass 8 button to 8 basic state of your output in the given tables. Number third, press the switches to select the required inputs H and R and apply the clock pulse. Number four, press and bottom to edge your inputs and outputs in the given tables and their corresponding graphs. So number five, repeat steps 3 and 4 for next state of inputs and their corresponding outputs. And six, press the print button after completing your simulations to get press edge button to get your inputs and outputs in the given tables and their corresponding graphs, your results. So figures observations. Figures is here. Is power supply and your inputs 1, 2, S and R, both two inputs, and clock other inputs. So 7 is grounded, and 14 VCC and 7409 get using this experiment. And so others and truth tables. So in case two inputs S and R, both inputs high, and so Remax and state is invalid, so forbidden. And otherwise no change and state. And so diagram is here, clock diagram is here, your x-axis, y-axis, and so conclusion is my virtual lab is. Hence, from the above simulations, we can verify the truth tables of RS flip-flop, and we can understand the working of RS flip-flop. It is standard running of RS and flip-flop. Both NAND inputs must normally be logic 1 levels. Thus, the logic levels of the Q and outputs will become relative while both R and S inputs, both inputs becomes logic 0 level at the same period. So it is state is forbidden. And in this state, both Q and outputs will become logic 1 levels. And acknowledgement. Primarily, I would like to thank God for being able to complete this virtual lab experiment with success in this ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Then I would like to express special thanks of gratitude to our dean, all the teacher, Central Department of Physics, as well as the head of the department, who gave me the golden opportunity to do this wonderful experiment on the given topic, which also helped me in doing a lot of research, and I come to know about so many new things. I am really thankful to PhD scholars, seniors, administrative staff, supporting staffs, and my parents for their continuous guidance and supports. Also, I would like to thank all my friends for helping me to complete this virtual lab experiment, and literature is here refresh flip-flop electronics Wikipedia, and to virtual labs electronics and communications. So it's and appendix. What is flip-flop? In electronics, electronics of flip-flop OLEDs is a circuit that has two stable states, and it can be used to store state information. What is trigger pulse? A pulse that starts a cycle of operation is called trigger pulse. And number third, what is the type of flip-flop? RS flip-flop, check flip-flop, D flip-flop, and T flip-flop. And what is the standard form of RS flip-flop? Reset, reset. What are the application of RS flip-flops? RS flip-flops find uses in many applications in logic or digital electronic circuitry. They provide a simple switching functions whereby a pulse on one input line of the flip-flop sets the circuits in one state. What is RS flip-flop? The RS flip-flop is considered is one of the most basic sequential logic circuits. The flip-flop is a 1-bit memory bistable device. It has two inputs. One is called set, and another is reset. So the advantage and disadvantage of my virtual lab is advantage. Virtual labs enables students to perform many experiments that are different to perform in real laboratories because of the risks. Number two, virtual lab help teachers and students save time and effort because they don't need to adhere to certain times to enter the lab or to move from one place to another. Number third, so virtual lab enables students and teachers to use the latest technologies. Virtual labs helps users keep up with the technological development of the digital age. Virtual labs allow the students to perform the practical experiments related to the theoretical courses, which helps them absorb the courses. So some disadvantage, they require a computer device with help specification in order to simulate the exact phenomena with full details and create the 3-dimensional virtual lab. They require professional programmers with strong skill in different programming languages. They also required a team of experts in the scientific materials, teachers and experts in psychology. One of the negative effects of a virtual lab is that it reduces the direct interaction between students and each others and between students and teachers. Given that the communications between team is electronically most of the time. So thank you.